All right, what up, y'all? It's your boy EB Cutting. I got my young partner right here, man. About to do a high top fade. Start off by brushing his hair all the way around. And I'm gonna put a guideline in with these wall magic clips. It's not a hard guideline because I want to make my job as easy as possible, man. So I just did it with those magic clips instead of my edges. Just cleaning it up. Going through, making sure everything clean. So I can reduce my work later on. Got my Hillman college shirt on. Been rocking that joint for about 5 months. And right here, I'm just cleaning up with the edges, man, my T outliners, because that's the closest shade that you're going to get when you conducting a fade, man. You always have to clean with those T outliners. And I just decided to finish up the guideline with the T outliner since I already had them in my hands. But just to give you guys an update on the shop, man, everything is coming along good. We have the sheetrock up, and the guy just finished mudding it and sanding it today. I'm gonna have my electrician come out and put up the lights and all that good stuff tomorrow. And I'm gonna prime it, put a coat of primer on there, and then get ready to paint it by the weekend. So we moving right along, man. Moving right along. We're gonna be up and running here soon. Pretty exciting. This is something I always dreamed of, man. This dream is coming reality, man. For real, this dream is becoming slowly but surely a reality. Owning my own shop. I'm just making sure everything's pretty much even. Right here. Got the lever open and I'm going up about 1/2 inch or so. Setting my first guideline. This is my way of fading. This is my most consistent way of fading. Starting to fade off with the lever open, going almost 1 inch up, and then cleaning that inch out, and then start putting my guards on and working the fade up from that way. And right here, I'm gonna go all the way around. With that lever open. And then I'm about to take out that bottom line with the lever closed. And guys, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, man. I'm trying to put these videos out. I'm doing it, I'm working hard, man, trying to put out the game, give the game out, because the game wasn't given to me when I started cutting. YouTube had just started for real, and there sure wasn't a lot of videos out. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can continue to give you that constant footage, man, of what we got going on over here. And I'm just working that line. I opened the lever a little bit right there. But right here, I'm back on taking that bottom line out. Make sure you clean those lines out, man. Like as consistent as your hand will allow you, man. Get that line out. Each line that you get out, that's how that fade drop almost perfectly. Where you don't have to keep going back and doing touch-up work. Right here, I'm using the corners of the blade. Them corners are very important, man, because you can get a specific area of hair out without taking a piece out that shouldn't be. I think I put my number 1 guard on, and the lever is open, and I'm gonna go all the way up into the fade. This is just a quick and easy way to fade, man. Anybody can learn to fade this way, man. So take heed to what's going on in the steps that I've taken in this video. I think I just closed it down, but the fade, the bottom part, the bottom line that was created, you can already see it's falling right into place. Got the half guard on. Open it a little bit. I'm taking that little line out. That middle line that was created from the lever open to the number 1 open. That fade pretty much complete right there. I'm gonna finish up the rest of the video, man. I'm gonna finish up the rest of the. I'm gonna finish up that side. I did the same thing on the other side, and I will just get this little spot out that I seen with the 1 guard closed. I'm gonna let you guys go, man. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment if you like. Your boy out.
Nice and well.